We are going to use the lasso tool. Make sure that everything is on one layer. Select the area where you want to fix. Use blur border. Originate in the select menu, blur border. This tool is also called the feather tool in Photoshop and Procreate. Set the strength around 40, click OK, copy and paste it. Deselect. Now you can do whatever you want with this layer. Let's fix the edge area with the airbrush. The soft one, make sure it's on transparent color. Now we're going to erase the edge so it's blend nicely with the layer underneath. Like that. Okay, now that you're satisfied, you can check before, after, before, after.